If you're watching this video, probably you're familiar with neck pain. Neck pain can affect social life, family time, hobbies, work productivity, ability to sleep, enjoy time with friends and family, and a lot more in daily life activities. And it affects more than just your physical body. Studies have shown that chronic pain can have an impact on a person's mental health. Up to 85% of patients with chronic pain are affected by severe depression. Today, during the pandemic, most of us spending a lot of time in front of a computer or working long hours in an unsuitable office in our home is probably the cause of wear and tear on the neck area. The mobility of the neck is incomparable. The neck is capable of moving the head in many directions. But, as always in life, there is also a cost of this complexity. Our cervical spine has 7 vertebrae, intervertebral discs, facet joints, 32 muscles plus tendons that help move and stabilize the neck, and a number of ligaments attaching bones to each other. And it's not always only the neck area that can be affected, but also the shoulders, arms, chest, and can even cause headaches and dizziness. So, let's fix our neck with the one and most effective exercise you could perform. Sit somewhere comfortable and relax your shoulders and upper body. Pull your shoulders and arms back and your torso as elongated as possible. Don't slouch and try to be as straight as possible in the sitting position. Now, from this position, put your hand in front of your chest, lift your index finger and hold it in front of your chin to guide you through the exercise that follows. First, pull your neck back and keep your cervical spine elongated as if you were rolling your neck back. From this position of your neck, extend your head. That is, go back your head as much as you can, but you must be as comfortable as it can be for you. Do not overdo it. You will achieve the best result from this exercise slowly through repetition. Let's do it one more time together, shall we? Your index finger shows the initial and final position of your chin. Now, we do a chin tuck and lengthen our cervical spine as much as possible for each of us. It is not the same for all of us. Don't worry, we're all gonna do it gradually. From this position, start extending your head as I do it at the moment. Each time it will be a little further. Gorgeous! Do you feel the elongation and release of the muscles in your neck area? You must have felt it, I'm sure. Well done! You do a very good job. Stay in this position for 2 seconds and very slowly return to your starting position, trying to maintain the extension until the end. Focus on what I just said because it really matters. You should not miss the extension of your neck for the whole procedure. It's the only thing that really matters to do the exercise properly. With this exercise you can achieve the strengthening of the neck muscles, the release of any spasms of the tendons, and the improvement of the movement and the activity of the neck area. Repeat this exercise about 8 to 10 times at a time, and you can repeat it every 30 minutes if you really feel your neck is very tight, and from time to time you will feel the benefits of this movement. Trust me. Let's do it one more time, right? I'm very curious to know how you did it, so please let me know if this helped you as I thought it would in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye!